Hello and welcome back to Miniature Tube. If you've been following along with my videos, you know that we've been building a miniature bedroom, and today we're going to build a bed. So welcome to my miniature bedroom part 3 bed tutorial. So to begin, we need to build the frame of the bed. For this I will be using cardboard and I will leave the measurements on screen. Now the main framing of the bed is complete, we need to make the slats for the mattress to rest on. For this I'm using cardboard again, and I've cut 6 pieces 6 inches by 1/4 inch. I'm going to glue them together in pairs and then we can add them to the frame. Glue these pieces around 1/2 inch down from the top. Glue one to each side and then one straight down the middle. This is creating a surface for the slats to lay on. Here I'm just double checking that my slats I made fit, but let me rewind quickly and show you how I made them. For this part you will need 6 lollipop sticks. From each stick you can make 2 slats for the bed. Not including the rounded ends of the stick, we're going to mark a line at 0, a line at 4.5 inches and a line down the middle at 2.25 inches. Cut this out, repeat it for the other 5 and then we can go back to the bed making. Glue the slats evenly placed apart. Now it's ready for the mattress, but first we're going to make the headboard. For the headboard I have cut a piece of 2mm MDF board, 2 inches by 4 inches. To decorate it, I'm going to be adding wooden strips from this reel. I'm also going to wrap the bed frame in these same wooden strips as the headboard. For the mattress, I'm going to be using foam. I've roughly cut it to the same size as the bed frame, and I'm going to wrap it in a white sheet. Now we need to choose what colour we want the duvet, and there are a lot of colours to choose from. I have narrowed it down to a pink duvet. We just need to decide which shade. So I'm going to grab them all and then we can take them into the bedroom and see how they look. We have a problem. I do not have enough material of one colour to make the duvet. So we're having to think on our feet, and now we're making a reversible duvet with 2 different shades. And I think that actually sounds a lot cooler. Let's look at our options. So we have option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, option 5, Option 6. And option 7. I've gone for option 3 and 4. The other colours were just a little too bright. Let's make a duvet. For the duvet, I'm going to need sewing needles, pins to hold the material in place, and a thread the closest colour to your material as you can find. Before we start sewing, I'm going to pin all the way around the material to hold both sides in place as we sew. For the sewing, we're going to sew together 3 sides and we're going to leave one open, and you'll see why in just a moment. So now I've got 3 edges sewn together, we can remove the pins. We're now going to take our duvet, we're going to turn it inside out to reveal the neatest seams you have ever seen. To give my duvet a bit of volume, I'm going to be using cotton wool pads to stuff inside. You can also use newspaper, tissue, you can even use other bits of material, or you can just leave it empty. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I'm going to sew the one open side left shut. I also used the same technique to make some pillows for the bed. So I've got 2 white ones, 2 pink ones, and 1 single pink one, but in a different shade. Let's put it all together. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more videos.